Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of distinction between field and its knower. Chapter 13, Shloka 33. As the all-pervading ether is not tainted because of its subtlety, so too the self, seated everywhere in the body, is not tainted.
यथा सर्वगतं सौष्ण्याद् आकाशं नोपलिप्यते सर्वत्रावस्थितो देहे तथात्मा नोपलिप्यते.
Chapter 13, Shloka 33. Here the Lord gives some parallel examples to illustrate the actionlessness of the self and also the qualitylessness of the spirit in essence, in spite of the discordant and devilish activities of matter around it. Through the example space, we show the relationship of spirit and matter. Space is that which gives accommodation and is a concept. It is the subtlest of all gross elements, 5 in number: space, air, fire, water, and earth. Great subtlety implies greater pervasiveness. A subtler thing cannot be conditioned by grosser factor. Like the space being subtle allows everything to remain in it, yet nothing that it contains can contaminate it. The Supreme Self, which is the very cause of space itself, and therefore subtler than it, pervades all, nothing pervades it. It cannot be contaminated by anything that exists or happens in the world of plurality. The world of plurality being nothing but misapprehension of reality arising out of the non-apprehension of the real, the realm of matter, Prakriti, and its activities cannot contaminate the soil of the perfect and the eternal. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.